I just found this piece of 2-inch square tube. I have a whole stick of it. I was trying to figure out what would be a good way to mount the legs. I finally thought about sort of welding them to the center and also cutting away where it also comes up underneath the 4x4 or 4-inch square tube, and helps support the bottom, not just welded to the side like that. I think it'll hold a little bit more weight. I know this is probably overkill. I mean, that's quarter wall square tube, and this is I think 10 gauge, which roughly 1/8 inch wall. Anyway, somewhere around here, there it is, I found my handy dandy protractor ruler combination and figured out that 20 degrees, don't know if you can, how well you can read that. Anyway, well, here, let me adjust it over to this side. Hey, it's fun trying to film with an iPhone, let me tell you. Anyway, it's about 20 degrees. I thought that was a pretty good angle for the legs. So what I did is I went back and, using my handy dandy protractor, I marked a couple of lines, and I'm getting into one of my other video series here, but I've been working on this old bandsaw. It's got a jury-rigged pneumatic cylinder converted to hydraulics. Let me open the valve up. Don't know if you heard the pressure relieve. There we go. But I've been turning it into a vertical bandsaw. This is the plate. I'm going to go ahead and install it and notch that tube. I haven't quite finished it. I still have to break these two edges. Anyway, I'm going to pause now, and I don't have a tripod for my iPhone, so you're going to miss a little action. Yeah, this probably isn't the best angle, but here goes. Hand cutting with my now vertical bandsaw. The blade jumps off. That's the way videos go. Ah, crap. I thought I had it on. I guess I pushed the wrong button. Okay, anyway. Well, you can see I finished the cut. That's one nice thing about bandsaws. They do make a nice clean cut. Of course, now I got a lot of wire brushing to go, but this is just a trial. See what it looks like. Well, what do you think? I sort of like it. Interesting idea. I'll get back to you. Okay, ideas in action. 4-inch box tube. I ain't gonna show all that fun stuff. Anyway, got this 2-inch square coming down approximately 7 degrees off of horizontal, which would be 20 degrees off vertical. Vertical being 90, so anyway. But I thought, what if I did like one of them old A-frame stands instead of just straight flares. Oh yeah, got to brace it at the bottom too. I think that'd look pretty cool. Go out about that, go out just under about a foot and then straighten down. I could actually put shelves, have them make part of the structure and make it even stronger. Ow! Alright. So, I guess I'm going to make up 3 more of those and again come back at a 20-degree angle off of this face, or 70 off of the length of it, which is what that was, and that'll bring it back to horizontal. Anyway, so I think I've done enough creating for the night. I think it's time to top off my Bacardi and Coke, which there's more Coke, or actually there ain't much of that left. And no, I do not advocate drinking and tool operating. There's more Coke than Bacardi in this thing. Oh, that's extremely watered down. All right, good night.